If you use Canva and you're sick of the 8-click download process just to save a single page, I've got a Chrome extension that changes everything. One click, one download. Let me show you. So let's talk about what Canva makes you do right now to download a single page from a multi-page project. You can share, then download, then pick your file type, then select pages, then deselect all because it selects everything by default. Then you find and click the one page you actually want. Then done. Then download. That's 8 clicks every single time for one page. It's absolutely mad. The fix is a free Chrome extension called Canva Quick Downloader. It adds a download button directly above every page in the Canva editor. One click and it exports the page you're looking at. No menus, no deselecting, no extra steps. Just click and it downloads. To put it into perspective, without the extension, you're looking at 8 clicks through multiple menus and pop-ups. With the extension, you're looking at 1 click. That's it. If you download pages quite often for social media posts, for work, for clients' projects, this saves you a huge amount of time across the week. Here's what the extension gives you. 1 click export. A download button on every page of your design. Full format support, PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, and GIF. Auto detect, it automatically adds the button to add new pages as you create them, and it's completely free. Installing it takes about 10 seconds. Open the Chrome Web Store. I'll put the link in the description. Search for Canva Quick Downloader and add to Chrome. And then refresh your Canva tab, and that's it. The download buttons will appear above every page in your editor straight away. Once it's installed, just open any design in Canva and you'll see a download button sitting above each page. Click it, pick your format, and the page downloads instantly. It works with multi-page projects, presentations, social media batches, anything. Every page gets its own button. That's it. Proper game changer if you use Canva quite often.